On,
get ready.
Drop, Elliot. You guys can't watch. Come on.
Back up, Johnny.
Offside.
Good.
Mark B, get ready. That's yours, eh?
There it is. Kick it up to Six. Mark. Start running.
Nice.
This way. Doctor him. Throw it, Hamish. Not in the middle. Okay. Take your time. Relax. You got time. Big kick. Out of the middle, you guys. Evan, come on.
Don't wait. Stay with it.
Good job. Right, down center. Down center.
Come on, Gray. Get in front of him. Come on, Gray. That's you, Gray.
Towards the outside. Go, Andrew.
Benji, fast up. Benji, run as fast as you can. Good.
Hey, Andrew. Right defense. Don't go up. Stay there. Elliot. Good job, boys. Oops, corner. Huh? Turn around. Face the ball, boys. Hey, step up. Matthew, up. Get up.
Right there, Mark. Right there.
Hey, Nathan, in the middle, Nathan. In the middle.
Excellent kick. Go. Okay.
Kick, Maximilian.
Oh, what a, that was.
Sorry. I know him.
Go to the other side.
Stay with it, man. Stay with it. Good job, man.
Drop back, Nathan, back, get back.
Bring defense
Benji, get back, Matthew, back.
Benji, help out in
back.
D.
Come on, get back.
Cover a player, Benj. Talk to him. Nice.
Good.
Keep on playing. Get on the ball, White.
Don't stop.
Good job.
Hamish blocked it.
Yeah. Get it off to the side, guys.
Stay with them.
He ran out to it. Cut him off.
Oh.
Nice block.
Oh, wow.
Number 4.
Nathan, Elliott, drop back. Nathan, drop back.
Okay, Mark, attention. This is our ball.
Towards the goal.
Positions, guys. Move it up.
Right there. Elliot, turn around. Face the ball. Evan, right there.
Benji, back to position. Good, nice.
Cheers, Benji.
Go, follow it.
Go
Follow
for it,
it,
Benji.
Don't run to the ball, Benji. Your teammates have it. Run away from it.
Behind you, Elliot.
Run to the...
Behind you. Get back. Get back, Greg. Get back.
Matthew, stop.
Evan, what are you doing there? Come on. Nathan, get back.
Stay tough, Snowstorm.
Oh, yeah.
Go for it.
Go.
Ben, good. Elliot.
There you go. Keep on going.
Hey, Nathan.
Get up there, Ed.
You got to stay on position.
Stay in there.
To the end. Andrew,
Deep
drop
breath,
back.
honey,
This
deep
way
breath.
in. Andrew, in. Hey, Elliot, Evan. There are times you're behind Nathan. You can't be behind him. You got to stay in front of him. Nathan, there can't be anybody behind you. You gotta be the only one. Last one. Yeah.
Kick it! Give it! Yay! That's the second one for Mark. Excellent.